LED Folding DJ Booth Tabletop Installation Guide. Tools required. Unfold the panel and secure it at the fold using the long connecting brackets and M510 screws. On the side of the panel with only 2 holes, secure it using the short connecting brackets and the same screws, referring to the positions marked in the video. Secure the 3 large L-shaped and 4 small L-shaped connecting brackets in place using M1010 screws. Position the side of the panel with the multiple holes facing inwards. Lift it into place and align it, resting it on the already secured connecting plates. Finally, use M635 screws to secure the panel to the connecting plate below through these holes.